hey, go out to Bangla Road, record something, maybe something cool will happen. That's my intuition. So yeah, I'm here. Let's see what's up. It's like 0:30, so it's almost 1 a.m. You feel me? Let's see how things go. So that's why it's not really a lot of people, you feel me? Because it was raining. So far it's like normal, you feel me? It's pretty normal now. If video will be boring, you blame my intuition on me, you feel me? walking tour than like a normal vlog, you know what I'm saying? That's what I feel now when I'm recording. But I can see people like from the distance hiding, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it is what it is. I do it super spontaneously. Don't blame me, please. It's a spontaneous video. help for my intuition so far. Big help. But it is what it is. It's not really even my fault, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just is what it is, and that's totally fine.
I know you party. No, never. I just I do. Okay, I do.
My girlfriend too.
You party already. I know you.
Oh yeah. Let me see your from what? You're from what? No, you're from what?
Ah, you're very good. Talking very strong. I talking very strong.
I talk to pretty girl now. You're pretty.
Pretty, but you need to go. You guys.
Look. You're the most pretty in Bangla Road. Yeah, that's my friend. At least something. And she grabbed my you know what too. Funny. What's that? Why everybody is like that? I don't know. Do something cool, you feel me? I just recently had a podcast. Yeah, and I just get out of the podcast and had this intuition like, hey, let's just go out, record a vlog from Bangla. But you know, nothing crazy. There is my idol now. This guy is so funny. Like, this guy is hilarious. The last time, police was searching me. Obviously I didn't have anything, but I'm just saying that police like were searching me, and yeah, it was hilarious. But But I got like 15 SIM cards. Maybe not 15, but like at least 10 SIM cards. And that was look suspicious, you know. But yeah, nothing happened honestly. So it's cool. It's cool. You see, we made it. We made it out of trenches. You feel me? And yeah, it's time to leave. Like nothing more will really happen. But now I got a craving to go on a date or do something, you know. Really. I mean, I was on a date, but off camera because it was super random. I went like for a dinner, and I matched with like model from Kazakhstan, and we went out. And then at like after 9 p.m. I had the podcast, and after podcast I decided to, you know, go and I decided to go this Bangla Road, but I don't know, nothing really happened, nothing crazy really happened. But yeah, it's because of the camera, you know, it's because of the camera. So yeah, as you can see, like very similar, maybe a little bit less people than usual, nothing crazy. So I would say this more like walking than typical vlog, but that's totally fine. If you enjoyed this video, then like, comment, subscribe, give me some content recommendation in the comments, man. Stay tuned and see you on to the next